Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete photo from your Google Photos without deleting it from your phone's gallery. So this photo of my laptop, let's say I want to delete it from my Google photo but not to delete it from my actual phone's gallery. In that case, what I need to do is first I need to open my Google photo and choose the photo which I want to delete by holding on it. Once I hold on it, it's going to be highlighted. Once it's highlighted at the bottom, it's going to show this option called delete. Now what I need to do is click on delete. Once I click on delete, it's showing me this. So what I need to do is click on delete. Now once I click on delete, this photo is going to be deleted from my Google photo. Now it's not only going to be deleted from my Google photo, it's also going to be deleted from my gallery. So what I need to do is after I open my gallery, I need to click on album at the bottom right of my screen. Once I'm on the album section, I need to scroll all the way down and choose recently deleted. And from inside recently deleted, I need to recover this photo. So if I click on this photo, I can click on recover photo, and this photo should be recovered. As you guys can see over here, it has been recovered. Now this photo will only be recovered on my phone's gallery. From my Google photo, it is going to be deleted. That's how you guys can delete photo from your Google photo without deleting it from your phone's gallery. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.